Hi guys, let's see this rear dash cam. An Uber driver, oh, let's see the replay. He was not even looking at the car, oh wow. Yeah, I mean, somebody will have to cook on its own till night. Next one, we have this genius on the highway, in a rush probably. Yeah, suddenly the road disappears. Congratulations sir, you saved up 2 seconds of travel time. Here we have a classic instant traffic karma. He cuts off our biker friend, he tries to argue, and boom. Yeah guys, remember, road rage is bad for your wallet. Moving over to the UK, where driving on the left is the law unless you're the police driving to a fish and chips emergency. Our guy almost became part of the crime scene. Imagine driving home peacefully when someone decides the highway is a two-way street. Yeah man, let's see it again. Yeah, this guy was like, but the GPS said turn left. Okay, this biker has enabled cheat codes. This car takes a wrong left. Oh, yeah, he's dodging everybody like prime Lindsey Vonn. Yeah, probably checking his body and his bike. He doesn't believe everything is okay. Man, this guy, yeah, it's dangerous to be a biker when people are sleeping at the steering wheel. Glad he's okay. Next one, we have some winter chaos. A policeman is just checking a minor accident when a guy tries to overtake a truck. Whoa, ooh, that's a close one. Let's see the replay. Yeah, he loses control completely. Yeah, he probably just wanted to join the police party. Next one, we are in the US when a cyclist decided looking both ways is optional. He just spawns there, yeah. Let's see a short replay. Yeah, thanks God this driver has good reflexes. And also, wear a helmet, bro. Next up we have some US winter magic. The guy's just driving back from the grocery store when the car behind decides to do a 180 on figure skating. Let's see this Tokyo drift close up. Yeah, he loses traction completely. Or maybe he just decided, you know what, I'm going back home. I'm not working today, let's go back home and relax. Don't know why, but this looked really professional. It looked like he meant it. Next, we have this cyclist just driving through the city with his 360 camera. When this car decides to, whoa, yeah, that's a close one. Let's see it again. That's a night slide, man. You can see he's used to people driving like that. Heading back to a dark country road in the UK where headlights are your only savior when Bambi decides to jump on the road and test your insurance policy. Let's check the replay. It looks like the deer wants to race the car at 50 kilometers per hour. Go home, little buddy. We need you safe and healthy for the Disney movies. Stop. We are on a two-way county road in the US where overtaking requires actual brain cells. This guy decides he cannot wait 2 more seconds. Absolutely brainless driving. Yeah, this could have been a head-to-head disaster. Thankfully, this driver was awake. Oh, what a lovely road with the mountains in the back. Let's see. Oh, this guy decided he wants to stop for a drink. Oh no, maybe he wanted to take some photos of the beautiful mountains. Yeah, but probably the black car in front was the one in fault here. Next one, a classic lesson why you should never tailgate big vehicles. This guy in the white SUV had to learn it the hard way. He's driving too close, impatient. Bam! Yeah, you should always leave some more space in front of you. But to be fair to this white SUV, This road looks like a GTA kind of slalom. Here we have another night run, but this deer didn't get the memo of sprinting across the road. He's casually walking like he owns the road in the middle of the night. The deer probably ate some mushrooms, he was too relaxed. Next up we have a guy who clearly bought his license online. Our camera car has a clear green light. Yeah, but this white sedan decides green means let's take a random left turn. Yeah, they stopped inches away. It looks like the white sedan won anyway. Is it just me, or is driving scooters in the rain always a bad idea? Our scooter friend cruises slowly and then just slides into the car in front of him. Whoa, this was close. The bus driver is the hero here. Look how he dodges the scooter guy. He should buy him a beer afterwards. Next up we have this home camera and the couple just walking. Whoa, this car appears out of nowhere. Let's see this again. Ooh, this was really close. This was centimeters away. Oof. Thanks God everybody's okay. This could have ended really badly. Also the driver looked like nothing happened. But this was a bad one, guys. This could have ended badly. Heading back to the UK where the narrow village road is the last place you want to play chicken. Buddy in the smart car forgot he had 30 horsepower under the hood. This is some impatient and stupid driving, guys. Next up we have a real life game of Mario Kart. This construction truck forgot how the ropes work. Tie your stuff down, guys. Never let your stuff untied, especially when driving on the freeway. Next up we have a Toyota trying to be a race car on the highway. He overtook, and then let's see what happens. He's just driving. Everything looks normal till now. Let's see what will happen here. Yeah. He tries to squeeze his way in. Oh man, this was so lucky. Let's see this again. How did he manage to squeeze in between all those cars moving so fast? This is pure luck. And for the grand finale, we have this guy crashing into the pole at incredible speed, creating some fireworks, my friend. And I bet these houses won't have electricity for some days. Let's hope he is okay. The guy's just checking on them. Props to all the guys who went to check on him. That's all for today, guys. Don't be like this guy. Take care.